Welcome to Faisal Masjid, a breathtaking architectural wonder nestled in the heart of Islamabad, Pakistan. Named in honor of King Faisal bin Abdul-Aziz of Saudi Arabia, this iconic structure stands as a symbol of the strong bond between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Designed by the renowned Turkish architect Vedat Dalokay, Faisal Masjid's construction was completed in 1986, making it one of the largest and most magnificent mosques in the world. The mosque's unique design is a blend of modern and traditional Islamic architecture. Its striking features include 4 towering minarets, each standing at 300 feet tall. The mosque, with its elegant white marble structure, boasts a spacious courtyard that can accommodate over 100,000 worshippers, underscoring its significance as a congregational and prayer site. Its architecture, inspired by a Bedouin tent, is characterized by an 8-sided, shell-shaped sloping roof, culminating in a triangular worship hall. Additionally, it is nestled amidst lush green mountains, capturing the gaze of onlookers with its breathtaking surroundings, making it hard to divert one's attention from its beauty. The interior is embellished by the renowned Pakistani artist Sadiq Wain's mosaics and calligraphy. These adornments grace the interior of the primary tent-shaped hall, which is also home to an exquisite Turkish-style chandelier. Additionally, the mosaic motif extends to the west wall, showcasing the kalima inscribed in the ancient Kufic script. The Faisal Mosque houses a collection of holy manuscripts of the Quran within its grand premises. These manuscripts are preserved and displayed, enriching the spiritual ambience of the mosque, offering worshippers and visitors alike a profound connection to Islamic heritage and teachings. All in all, Faisal Masjid stands as a beacon of peace, unity, and devotion for all who enter its gates. It is a testament to the enduring power of faith and the profound impact of cultural exchange.